Abuse was yelled from the public gallery when a man charged with murdering a Greymouth woman appeared in court this morning. 43-year-old Hayley Williams was shot dead at a Marsden Road property on Sunday afternoon. After a 24-hour search by officers, a 45-year-old man was arrested near Hokitika yesterday. He appeared in the Greymouth District Court today, and our reporter Maja Burry was there. Earlier this afternoon she told me via Live View what happened in court.
Well, a man who lives just outside of Greymouth appeared in court today over the charges. He was granted interim name suppression and entered no plea to this murder charge. But there were pretty tense scenes inside court. Several people had to be removed because they were disrupting proceedings. And one woman who appeared to be a supporter of Hayley Williams, she called the man a mongrel and then she was removed from court. But Judge Brian Callaghan remanded this man in custody until November the 10th when he'll appear in the Christchurch High Court via audiovisual link.
What do we know about Ms Williams? How did all this happen?
Yeah, there's still a lot of unanswered questions around that, Sharon. We're not quite clear on the relationship these two had. The police have said it wasn't a domestic relationship, but the pair were known to each other. So it's just not really clear how they were connected just yet. But we do know that Hayley Williams had 3 young children. A friend described her as a great mum who would, go out of her way for her boys. So really quite horrific that we then learned that the boys were, some of the children were home when this horrific shooting took place, but it's not quite clear what they witnessed.
And Maya, I understand a man charged with historical sexual offences at the West Coast religious community of Gloriavale also appeared in court today.
That's right, Sharon. It was a pretty busy day in the Greymouth District Court. Not a lot I can tell you around this one as there are suppression orders in place, but what I can say is a man in his 40s was arrested in September over 2 charges of unlawful sexual connection and 2 charges of indecent assault. Today, Judge Brian Callaghan extended the name suppression for the man for another month. He'll reappear in the Greymouth District Court on November the 21st.
And that's our reporter Maja Burry in Greymouth.